Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. So this is the first power on of the A1200 with the 80 megabyte hard drive. You can see the power LEDs come on. See that there? There we go. Oh, there we go, we've got a workbench screen, start-up screen, so that's a good start. Okay, I've connected up a floppy disk drive, so we'll just see if that works. Should get one of the lights flickering. Not long enough. Right, the drive is clicking. So let's try a disk. Amazingly, that worked. I wasn't really expecting it to. No keyboard or mouse connected, so I can't really go much further. Okay, now connected up a mouse, so we'll see what tests we can do on it. Right, memory test.